The 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door, three-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.